Imagine carrying a bottle of water. Now imagine trying to measure not just one bottle, but thousands of them. Units makes a huge difference when measuring volume. So into this video, let's take a tank that holds 7.5 times 10 to the power of 4 millimeters of water and see how we can convert it step by step into cubic meters, all while keeping it in scientific notation. Kaya ba na to? Let's find out. A tank holds 7.5 times 10 to the power of 4 millimeters of water. Convert this volume to cubic meters and express your answer in scientific notation. So first thing we're gonna do is find the given. So this is the given. Given is here mo ning given. 7.5 times 10 to the power of 4. So 7.5 times 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 75,000 millimeters. So in sa calculator, 7.5 times 10 to the power of 4. 75. Next step will ato siya i-convert to millimeters to liters. Since we all know that 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 millimeters. Am I right? Yes. So we need to divide the 75,000 millimeters into 1,000 para ma-cancel out ang millimeters. So inganiyon nato siya. 75,000 millimeters times 1 liter then over 1,000 millimeter. So inganiyan siya sa calculator. And this is 75,000 times 1 over 1,000. So that gives us 75. So that is our answer, 75 liters. Now don't forget to cancel out the millimeters kaya mo sa nga to purpose why ato siya in the first place. Next step is to convert liters to cubic meters. So we all know that 1 cubic meters is equivalent to 1,000 liters. So we need to divide the 75 liters by 1,000. So ngayon nato siya 75 liters times 1 cubic meter over 1,000 liter. That's the calculator. 75 times 1 over 1,000. As you can see, ang resulta kay 3 over 40. So ato na siya standard deviation here para makita ang answer. So that's it. 0.075. So ato siya iput 3 0.075. So mao niya nga atong standard form. So mao niya atong standard form. So finally, let's express this in scientific notation. So we need to move decimal point until we have a number between 1 and 10. So let's put 0.075. Move kita kadua ta move sa right. 1 2. So that's it. Kadua ta move. So move. So that's is equal to 77.5 times 10 to the power of negative 2 cubic meters. And that's the final answer. By converting step by step, we saw how 75,000 millimeters of water can be expressed neatly as 7.5 times 10 to the power of negative 2 cubic meters. And thank you for watching, and I hope this made the process clear and simple. Bye-bye.